Hello everybody. So how was your Sunday so far? अच्छा मेरा तो संडे पूरा घर पे था. मैं तो कहीं गई नहीं इस बार. And I was at home. I was reading this book by Gaur Gopal Das. I'll show it to you. I finished reading this. There were few chapters left. तो मैंने वो सारे complete कर लिए. And I painted this bottle. Although it's really bad. Even I don't know कौन सा. देखो सारे जो ये स्टार्स बनाए ना मैंने, सबके साइजेस अलग अलग हैं. तो या सो दिस वाज अ वाइन बॉटल लाइन नाउ. मैंने सोचा चलो मैं इसको पेंट करती हूँ. तो आई गॉट माई सेल्फ एक्रेलिक कलर्स. अभी सूखा नहीं है एक्चुअली, ये चिपक रहा है थोड़ा हाथ. तो आई थॉट कि मतलब एक्रेलिक कलर्स लाके आई विल पेंट दिस. अभी कंप्लीट भी नहीं हुआ है, इट्स इनकम्प्लीट. So I have few more colors and then I'll make more stars on this. Stars or flowers, I don't know. I just made something. So that's how it is. And so like I promised to you that I'll come back again and I'll do another video where I will be talking about a practice where you can just help yourself energize. You can get a lot of energy if you're feeling low or if you're not feeling energetic any day or whatever. So you can do something wherein you can have lots and lots of energies. And a very simple trick. So basically I learned about this trick in Art of Living class. So there is Art of Living practice जिसमें मैंने ये सीखा था, and I'm going to share this with you all. Do this simple practice 3 times. Okay, same practice you have to repeat thrice. And how do I show you, because the whole thing is not visible. So you have to sit. So I am sitting. You have to cross your legs. Okay, और फिर आपको पैर ऐसे करके पैर के ऊपर बैठना होता है. ठीक है. So you have to sit like that. You can actually, if you can't sit like that, then you can also sit cross-legged. Both you can do. For some people who can't sit folded legs pe, so you can just simply sit cross-legged also. Both will work equally. So okay, first of all just sit in either cross-legged or folded legs, whichever position is comfortable for you. Close your eyes and you have to just do the normal breathing initially, and then hold your hands here, right like near your shoulder, in between your shoulder and ears, somewhere here. Both your fists, hold them very loosely, lightly. Don't put any pressure. So take a deep breath, easy breath. And what we are going to do is, you can keep your eyes closed. I'm just opening my eyes to see if I'm doing it right or if it's visible on camera. You have to keep your eyes closed while you do this, because that's how you will be able to feel the energy. You have to do is just loose fist over here, and when you breathe, as in when you inhale, you have to, your arms up, okay, all the way up here. Like I'm just showing it to you as far as it can go, all the way up and then down. Okay, this is what you have to do 3 rounds of these. I've just done a bit of cleaning. So this is going to charge your energy. Okay, this is going to charge you up. This is going to charge you with a lot of energy for sure. Whenever you're feeling low, or if you want to do something and you're feeling lazy or lethargic, just do this 3 times and you will be energetic. Okay, so, and if you're feeling anxious, then obviously I have shared another technique with you. I hope it worked. I hope you tried it. So this one, okay, we'll start. Normal breath. You can take 2 or 3 normal breaths, and then all the way up. When you inhale, your hands will be up, and when you exhale, down. And you have to do it quickly, okay? do it with lots of energy. Okay, just feel the energy while you exhale and inhale, not the normal breath when you're inhaling and exhaling while keeping your hands up and down, not with your normal breath. Okay, fast breathing you have to do. Okay. Just take 2 or 3 normal breaths and then start doing the fast breathing. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. So you have to do this 20 times. Okay, while you do this inhale, exhale, do this 20 times and you're done. And you have to keep your eyes closed. I've kept my eyes open just to see whether it's visible in the phone or not. And then after you've done 20 times, you just your palms up, your palms facing upwards, your eyes closed, and feel the energy in your body. You will feel energy flowing throughout your body. Okay, feel the energy flow, and here we come again. We'll start. So 3 times I told you, we'll be doing it 3 times. Second time, inhale, exhale, 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 exhale, inhale, 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 exhale. So 20 times again. And when you go up, your hands should be like this. Okay, so should be pura haath upar and your 5 fingers open like this. Okay, and then take a pause, your arms facing upwards. You can keep your arms on your lap and just feel the energy flow in your body. There will be a lot of energy flowing in your body, in your veins, in your brain, throughout your body. There's energy flowing. Just feel that energy. Feel that flow of energy. Feels good. We'll do the 3rd round. Okay, again, now you know everything. Loose fist near your shoulder, little bit above your shoulder, between your ear and your shoulder. And take a deep breath, 2 or 3 counts of breath, normal breath. And we start again. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. So I have not done literally 20 counts because I was not counting, but you have to do 20 counts each time. So total you do 60. And it's very fast, so it won't take much time. It's hardly, I think, 7-8 minutes it will take in total. And once you finish doing that, make sure you do the whole exercise while keeping your eyes closed, because when you are done with the inhalation and exhalation, you will keep your palms like this on your thighs, and you will feel the energy flowing throughout your body. When your eyes are closed, you can actually feel it even in a better way possibly. So just try to keep your eyes closed and let me know how it feels. You can do this practice whenever you feel you don't have energy and you need a lot of energy. Just try it out and you will be filled with energy, so much energy. And yeah, and this is also helpful, giving you a lot of oxygen, because you are inhaling and exhaling briskly, so fastly when you are, you know, breathing. There's a lot of energy, there's a lot of oxygen flow. Oxygen flow is increased basically, and your lung capacity is improved. So like you can see, I am sweating because of energy. So your lung capacity can be improved and your energy flow can be improved as well. Try this out, let me know how it feels, and I'll try to come up with another video very soon. Ta-da!